10 Best Dash Cam for Ford F-150 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Dashcam Power. Clean rearview mirror install. Tired of tangled dashcam wires cluttering your beautiful car interior? Dashcam Power. Clean rearview mirror install is the seamless solution you've been waiting for. This plug-and-play adapter integrates flawlessly, drawing power directly from your auto-dimming rearview mirror. Say goodbye to unsightly cables and hello to a truly distraction-free driving experience. With dual USB outputs, you can power your dashcam and a second device like a GPS or radar detector simultaneously, all discreetly hidden. Engineered with robust, high-temperature resistant cabling, it ensures reliable, safe power for years to come. Enjoy a clean, factory-installed look and focus on the road ahead. Compatible with numerous Ford models, simply check your mirror connector for a perfect, tidy fit. Number 9. For Channel 2.5K Dashcam, Night Vision and Parking. Experience total driving peace of mind with our 4-channel 2.5K Dashcam. It features a crystal-clear 2.5K front camera and 3 detailed 720p side/rear lenses, providing complete 360 degrees wide-angle coverage and eliminating all blind spots for superior vehicle security. Protection extends with advanced night vision and intelligent 24/7 parking monitoring. ACC hardwire kit sold separately, safeguarding your car day and night. Manage recordings effortlessly using built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and the intuitive Vidger app. Instantly preview, download, and share critical moments directly from your phone. An integrated G-sensor automatically locks collision footage, while loop recording ensures continuous coverage. A 64 GB SD card is included for quick, hassle-free setup right out of the box. Number 8. 4K Dual Dashcam, GPS, Wi-Fi, Night Vision, Parking. Drive with unparalleled confidence using the Ovaman K600 4K Dual Dashcam. This essential co-pilot captures every vital detail with stunning 4K front and 1080p rear recording, providing crystal-clear evidence of license plates and road signs. Navigate the night safely thanks to advanced night vision and wide-angle lenses, ensuring comprehensive coverage around your vehicle. Review footage effortlessly on the intuitive 3.59-inch screen or instantly share via the 5G Wi-Fi app. Built-in GPS precisely tracks your route and speed, while reliable 24/7 parking surveillance offers anti-theft peace of mind. Hardware kit required. With loop recording and a generous 64 GB SD card, you're continuously protected, ensuring seamless monitoring on every journey. Number 7. 4K OEM Dashcam for Ford F-150 and Super Duty. Elevate your Ford F-150 or Super Duty 2018 to 2025 with the Fuvimit 4K OEM Dashcam, engineered for flawless integration. This hidden camera mounts discreetly behind your rearview mirror, providing a factory-fitted look without obstructing your view. Experience unparalleled clarity with stunning 4K Ultra HD 2160p video, capturing every crucial detail day or night thanks to its advanced f/1.6 lens and HDR technology for superior low-light performance. Installation is remarkably simple, requiring no complex rewiring. The intuitive Fuvimit app offers instant live viewing, seamless video management, and effortless sharing, putting you in complete control. Protect your investment and drive with confidence. This is the unobtrusive security solution your Ford demands. Number 6. Ford Truck 4K Dual Dashcam. Elevate your Ford truck security with the Kutaitai 4K Dual Dashcam, engineered for a flawless, OEM-style fit in your F-150 2018 to 2025 or F-250/F-350 Super Duty. Forget messy wires. This is pure plug-and-play integration. Capture every detail with stunning 4K front and 1080p rear video, ensuring crystal-clear evidence day or night, from license plates to road signs, thanks to its advanced optics. Built-in Wi-Fi and our free app put control at your fingertips, letting you preview, download, and share footage instantly from your phone. With G-sensor incident lock and seamless loop recording, vital moments are always protected. Plus, 24-hour parking monitoring keeps an eye on your truck even when you're away. Drive confidently, knowing you're fully covered. Number 5. Auto-dimming mirror dashcam power adapter. Tired of cluttered dashboards and occupied cigarette lighter ports? Our auto-dimming mirror dashcam power adapter offers a brilliant, hidden solution. This innovative adapter taps directly into your vehicle's auto-dimming rearview mirror, providing a clean power source for your dashcam, GPS, radar detector, or even your phone charging station. Installation is plug-and-play, keeping unsightly wires perfectly out of sight. Featuring dual 5V2A USB outputs and including micro, mini, and Type-C cables, it's incredibly versatile, powering multiple devices simultaneously. Designed for seamless integration with select Ford F-150, Bronco, Expedition, Lincoln, and more, you'll enjoy a tailored fit. Experience a clutter-free cabin with reliable power exactly where you need it most. Power your essential tech discreetly and efficiently. Number 4. Ford Dashcam Power, Seamless Mirror Integration. Elevate your driving experience with Ford Dashcam Power, Seamless Mirror Integration. Say goodbye to messy wires and occupied power outlets. This innovative adapter delivers a clean, factory-like dashcam install by plugging directly into your compatible Ford 16-pin auto-dimming rearview mirror port. Engineered for precision, it provides stable 5V/2A power through included mini USB, Type-C, or micro USB cables, accommodating most dashcams. Your camera powers on and off automatically with your vehicle's ignition, ensuring hassle-free operation while driving. Note: not for parking monitoring. Before ordering, simply verify your Ford has the 16-pin auto-dimming mirror connector and confirm your dashcam's port type for effortless integration and a pristine dashboard. Number 3. Ford Mirror-Powered Dashcam Adapter. Elevate your driving experience with the Ford Mirror-Powered Dashcam Adapter, the ultimate solution for a seamless, clutter-free cabin. Say goodbye to tangled wires. This plug-and-play adapter connects directly to your Ford's select F-150, Explorer, Bronco, Mustang models, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, providing discreet, ignition-activated power for your USB-C dashcam, Garmin Mini 2, Vantru, FitCam, etc., or other USB-powered devices like radar detectors. Enjoy a truly hidden installation with no permanent vehicle modifications, ensuring your dashcam activates and deactivates with your ignition, preventing battery drain. It's the cleanest, most expert way to power your tech, keeping your focus on the road. Number 2. 4K 3-channel dashcam. HDR night vision, parking, GPS. Experience unparalleled peace of mind on every journey with our 4K 3-channel dashcam. This advanced system captures every angle, brilliant 4K front, 1080p interior, and 1080p rear footage simultaneously. Thanks to the cutting-edge Starvis 2 HDR night vision, crucial details like license plates are crystal clear, even in the darkest conditions, ensuring reliable evidence when you need it most. Stay connected with built-in GPS for precise trip data and next-gen Wi-Fi 6 for instant, cable-free footage access via the Jones app. Parking mode provides 24/7 security, guarding against hidden runs or vandalism. With G-sensor protected loop recording, vital moments are always saved. Drive safer, document effortlessly, and protect your vehicle comprehensively. Number 1. 4K Dual Dashcam. Wi-Fi, GPS, 24H security. Drive with ultimate confidence thanks to the Toronto 4K Dual Dashcam. Experience unparalleled clarity with simultaneous 4K front and rear recording, capturing every detail of the road ahead and behind, even 6 lanes wide. Our Super Starlight night vision ensures vivid, clear footage in any lighting condition, while the G-sensor automatically secures crucial accident evidence. Your vehicle stays protected around the clock with 24-hour parking monitoring against bumps or theft. Instantly access, manage, and share footage wirelessly via ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and the intuitive Toronto app. Plus, integrated GPS precisely tracks your route and speed, providing undeniable context for any event. Secure your journey effortlessly. So, that sums up my 10 best dashcam for Ford F-150. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have